This lesson will teach you how to write an introductory paragraph for an essay using the BTP method. BTP stands for Background, Thesis, Preview. The background and the hook of your paragraph get the reader's attention. You can hook them with a quote or an interesting fact and then present some general and widely known information about your topic. Here's an example. During the Enlightenment, two explanations of the origins of human knowledge prevailed among Western thinkers. The first, rationalism, was the belief that all human knowledge can be deduced from logic and axioms. On the other hand, empiricism was the belief that knowledge must be obtained through experiment and finding patterns. Your thesis is one sentence that states the opinion that you have about your topic. Here's an example. Although many believe him a rationalist, René Descartes, one of the most famous rationalist philosophers, had many qualities and characteristics of an empiricist. Finally, there's the preview. Give the reader the highlights of what's coming in your paper by telling them the parts in the order that you will write about them. Here's an example. In his Discourse on Method and his Meditations on First Philosophy, he claims that he can prove everything he knows based on the one axiom, I think, therefore I am. However, he uses empirical methods, such as experiments, to derive many ideas. In addition, he is frequently incomplete in his rationalist deduction. He often does not clearly explain how he derives most other information from this axiom. Incorrect assumptions provide the foundation for his arguments that prove the existence of things. While Descartes was right in his understanding that there is always room for doubt among worldly sciences, his deductive method was bound to lose to inductive reason in real life. Now it's time for you to practice. Read this paragraph about smoking and try to determine which sentences are the background, what sentence is the thesis statement, and which sentences are the preview. Here are the answers. Remember that your background is designed to get the reader's attention. You're hooking them with a quote or an interesting fact about your topic and presenting some general and widely known information about your topic. Here's the answer. Lighting money on fire makes no sense to most people. That's what they do when they smoke, however. The average smoker spends over $20 per week on cigarettes. Now, your thesis statement. Remember that your thesis is one sentence that states the opinion you have about your topic. Here's the answer. Surely, smoking is not worth the amount of money people spend on it. Finally, there's the preview. The preview gives the reader the highlights of what's coming in the paper by telling the parts in the order you will write about them. Here's the answer. Even though people spend money on cigarettes for many reasons, the price is too high. Smokers could put that money to use in other important ways to benefit their health and their families. Now it's your turn. Use the BTP method to write the introduction of your essay.